Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is day number 2 for the Christmas Memory Inspiration YouTube Hop, the 12 Days of Inspiration. What we are doing today, and everybody will be listed down below, is going to be day 2. The prompt is Winter Wonderland. Now, I decided to go just a little bit different and use my Close to My Heart products. So what I used is the cup file is from Paige Evans, and it's called Winter, and I'll link that down below if I can find it. She has so many cup files, but it is from Paige Evans. And I decided to use the glitter paper from Close to My Heart. And this is the Winter Wonderland collection that they released in September, October. But it is still available on the website. And I'll link all of the products that I use down below, what is available. And this collection is the workshop kit, and I just wanted different little pieces from it, and I decided to use the blue, which is the color of the year, which was last year. It was like the Jean blue or Jade blue or something like that. If it's available for the glitter, I will link that down below just so you know what it is. And then I just used a regular white glitter to back it. I cut out the images. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do, and that is what's there. So I'm going through the collection that you see, and I pulled out pieces that I know that I want to use, and then build from there. So when it comes to the workshop kits for Close to My Heart, they come in these sections, and you can build the projects the way they are, which is on the top left-hand corner of it, it says Project 1, Project 2, and that's what you're supposed to use. Well, I don't ever use the projects. I build it myself. So I just pick and choose whatever I want to use. So I try to make it work where I want it and how I want it. So I decided to pull, and I was like, well, maybe I'll switch it around and and it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. So I got rid of the mountains and I put it back to the way I wanted. Then I started this way, and I'm like, nope, I don't like that either. So I end up going like this, and then you'll see how I make it work in the duration of this. So make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below, whoever is playing along. If you do decide to do my 12 days of inspiration for Christmas memories, is take me on Instagram, Facebook, all of that fun stuff. Now, I am going through all of these little pieces, making sure that everything is taken out. So my title is going to be Winter. And what I decided to use with this prompt is, kid you not, I have the same cup. I went through my photos, and I print out all the photos that I take during the month of December. And as most scrapbookers, you go through it, right? And you decide, okay, which ones do we really want? What makes sense? What doesn't make sense? What we want to scrapbook and what we don't. This coffee cup, apparently, I loved it so much that I took this photograph of this coffee cup 18 times. Y'all, 18 times. Didn't realize I did that, but 18 times. So I found the best 2 out of the 18. And so this is what I left it with. So that's what this is, and I always tend to use my coffee cups right behind my tier trays or my Christmas tree or something like that. And that is what I'm doing with these, is behind my tier trays. So I decided to go through and use up some of my tissue paper. And what I do is that I kind of diagonal it throughout and then place it on there. And that's what I'm going to back. The tissue paper, I don't know if it's acid free or not. That's what I just use on my photos. I always back my photos anyway of white paper, so it really doesn't matter if I use stuff that isn't acid free. Don't care. So ultimately that is what I'm doing here, and I'm just placing everything down, making it look good and jazzy. And I really love how this part turns out. So pretty much from now on, it's just me really embellishing all of the pieces that I want. This one came together very quickly for me. And the most of the time was just placing where I wanted all of the snowflakes that I pulled off. So I decided that because the word winter has a lot of snowflakes, and we really truly do not get snowflakes around here at all, because I'm in the state of Georgia. And if we get snow, Lord have mercy. I mean, I'm from the north. I love to be in the snow, but these people don't know how to drive down here. I mean, it's like the apocalypse. And I don't even know what the apocalypse is like because we have never had one. But I swear that's what it would be like. You don't want to be down here driving. Now, I can drive in the snow. I know how to drive in the snow, but these people don't know how. So, I really truly don't want to know what it would be like if I had to drive in this yet again. Because the last time that these guys got, like, what they consider snow was back in 2011, 2014. We got it twice. 3 times? Twice. So, yeah. So, we really don't get snow. So, I have to make my photos look like it is cold outside and snowy. So, that's what I did here. But because this one is all about snowflakes, this winter collection is perfect for it because it's all about the winter wonderland and more of them being outside. I love the pinks, the mints, the everything about it. So I am just going through, and I love to show dimension without having a lot of dimension to it. So what I do is that I pack all of the like stuff behind it, and then I slowly take little bits of dimensionals from Stampin' Up, and I place it in small little spots. I don't place all of the dimension in there. If I want just a little bit of dimension, I will glue down one part and put dimensional on the second part of it to make it stick out and make it have that dimension without having a ton. So I straightened this out because I know I curved it down and I wanted to keep it more streamlined. So I could tell that that's what I did accidentally here. And then so I fixed it. When I actually started placing these down, I made them more streamlined. So these were all of the little pieces that I told you that I got out of the projects and wanted to use. I got all these little snowmans and all of this stuff out. And these strings are supposed to be like strings of lights, and I have them just kind of coming out of that snowflake. I kind of wanted it like snow falling down to where that snowflake ends up being, and I think it looks super cute. And I did add my 3s. Now, this is the first time in a very, very, very long time I did a triangle of 3s. And I just wanted to place them in the right spots. And I took these felt little pieces of snowflakes, or what looks like a snowflake, and placed it down on those. And I wanted this tree to just stick out just a little bit. And so that's why I placed that. Ooh, that did look good there. At first, I didn't think it did, but I'm not going to go back and add it. No point. So then I come in with my liquid pearls. Liquid pearls is a lot like Nuvo Drops. They're the same consistency, can do the same thing, but I like ours just a little bit better. So I have 3 different colors I'm using. I'm using Oxide Pearl, Robin's Egg, and Sage for the green, the blue, and the black. And I'm just placing the dots all over. I think it adds that little extra touch to it. I think that makes this look just a little bit more put together. I could have used the enamel dots that come in this collection, but I decided, I'll get out my liquid pearls because I haven't shown you guys them in a minute on there. So I'm just going through and adding the colors. Make sure that you go check out everybody. I am super close to 3,000 subscribers. I would love to have you. I'd like to be able to give away my 3,000 subscriber giveaway in the month of January, and I'm super close. Still shots are coming up. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.